guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an experiment day. Not really a full tutorial or anything. I'm just experimenting, seeing if I can get a black pearl pour to work. A cloud pearl pour, black clouds, I don't know. We'll see. It's just an experiment. I'm just playing around with, let's see, I've got Josonia satin varnish and some Lucas pouring medium, some GAC 100 to wet my pigments. I think that was all. There's Floetrol in the base, but not in the pigments. And yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. I'll bring it in. Okay. Just the one camera going today, no overhead shots, and it's just going to be a quick blowout. Just a really quick, I could tilt, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and tilt, huh? Why not? Let us tilt. Now, actually, I want this to be a blowout. I want this to be a blowout with lots of cells. So, alright. Let me blow out the base coat first. Okay, first one I'm going to put down is an eye candy. I think it's called Sumi Black. So pretty. It's kind of a silver gray blue, kind of a Payne's gray. Really want that to take over. Okay, there we go. Next, let's put down the gold. This is TLP Harvest Gold. At this point, I just want it to make an appearance. This is TLP, what is this one? Twilight. TLP Twilight. And then TLP Twinkle, 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 Little Star. Okay. All right. God, the lacing. Holy hell. Oh my God, I have got black cells popping up through here. Oh my goodness. Let me get you down so I can bring you down and around and you can take a look at this. Oh, I can't wait to see how this dries. This is so cool. Yay! Okay, check that out. Look at all that lacing. Oh my gosh, no silicone. No silicone at all. None whatsoever. And yeah, the only tube paint is the Artist Loft on the bottom. The rest is all pigments. All pigments. Sorry about my overhead lights. Oh, you guys see that shimmer in there? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm loving this. I am loving this. This is flippin' cool. And if it dries okay, I will go ahead and I will release the recipe. I will release the Kraken. Yoo-hoo, we're back. And we're just gonna take a look and see how it's drying. I don't know if you noticed this, or can see it, but there's definitely a texture difference where all the pigments are. They are very raised up still. And right over here, see that? In this part, I'm getting some splitting. So what that tells me is that my pigments are still too thick for my base. Can you see that? Right there? See how it's split? Right in there too. Yeah. I'm getting some really bad crazing and cracking. So the base coat's drying nice. Base coat's drying really nice. But it's drying faster than the thicker pigments on top. And that is why this is happening. Is exactly why this is happening. So we're going to try it again, and going to try it with thinner pigments, same base coat but thinner pigments, and see if that will work out. But I don't know. We're going to let this live and finish drying and see what we might be able to turn it into. Hey guys, we're back with our dry results from our experiment trying to create kind of the black cloud pearl pores. I don't even want to call it like cloud pearls for the black satin enamel kind of stuff, because they're not cloudy. But I got some really cool texture. Yeah, it split and cracked. I think I had my pigments mixed a little bit too thick for the black base that we had. And you can see my gesso lines and stuff because I was in a hurry just to try this experiment. But I'm really digging this, really digging it. It has got some really cool texture. Look at the lacing. All of it is raised. It's all raised up. And yeah, you can, but it almost looks burnt, right? Like when a piece of wood burns and gets that charcoaly like look and texture to it. And I'm digging it. Call me a weirdo, but I am. I'm really digging this. I don't know if I want to embellish it or not. I'm afraid that resin or gloss varnish would take away that really cool kind of matte texture, charcoaly feel that it has. I've already thought of a name for it though. I'm calling it burnt offerings. Such a cool, weird, unique texture out of this experiment, and yeah, I like it. I don't know if I should go in with the Pebeo gold leaf either. I'm just thinking that might be too bright and take away from the cool burnt look of it. I don't know. Okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Was this, in your eyes, kind of a fail? Was it kind of cool? Do you think I should try and embellish? Do you think I should varnish? Or do you think I should just not touch it at all? You know? I really want to know your opinion.
Okay, we've got a great lineup tonight. Right after me at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we've got Kristen and Kayla from K&K Create. You can check down there in the description. Just tap that description title and it should pop down and give you all the links. After Kristen and Kayla, you'll see that it's Angie Mason Fluid Art. She's got a live coming up at 8 Eastern Standard Time. So, all right, that's it for today. Until next time, loves and hugs you all. Stay safe out there. Bye.